eliminate the engine vibration in this S550. As soon as I'd let the throttle back off, it dropped down to below 1500 RPM and then down to idle. I could still feel a little vibration in the steering wheel. So I said, okay, now I'm going to go after the air induction and fuel injection on this thing. It's got new spark plugs, so I don't think there's a miss going on there. But I did think a little bit about, you know, this throttle body situation that you run into, also the fuel injectors. When was the last time the previous owner ran fuel injection cleaner through this? So the next step is to take this kit right here, and I'm going to do a complete throttle body clean, and I'm going to clean the mass airflow sensor, and I'm going to run 2 bottles of fuel injection cleaner in this thing. What I'll do is I'll put about 5 gallons in and throw the whole bottle. These bottles are supposed to handle, you know, like 21 gallons. But not knowing when this was ever done on this car, I'm going to go ahead and give it a little bit of condensed treatment. So I'll run 1 bottle through about 5 gallons, and then I'll run another bottle through, and then I'll drive it for about a week. You won't notice an immediate change when using fuel injection cleaner, but a lot of times you'll notice immediate change when you clean the throttle body and the mass airflow sensor. I'm going to do those jobs now, and I'll put several videos up, particularly on this issue of cleaning the throttle body, some of the cautions, some of the things you don't want to do. And then we'll get back and report in about a week. I'm going to give it about a week driving this thing, and let's see if I can eliminate that low speed vibration. I just love success stories when working on these cars. I've been driving this thing for about 2 weeks. I ran a couple of bottles of injection cleaner through the engine. I didn't notice any difference for about 100 miles, but then it started to smooth out. And I have to say, after doing that throttle body cleaning, mass airflow cleaning, and running fuel injection through this engine, the vibration is virtually gone. You might feel something a little bit when you start the engine up, but all that low speed vibration and coming off idle just kind of disappeared.